40 years ago, we entered a competitive market, up against industry giants and a flood of imported products. It was a bold move, demanding vision, grit, relentless innovation, a crusading spirit. Since 1985, we've been more than just manufacturers. We've been pioneers. Here in Melbourne, we transformed a small workshop of 4 dedicated people into a powerhouse of 60, shaping industries around the globe. Our mission has been clear from day one: to craft world-class Layflat hose and revolutionary reel systems that will set new benchmarks in quality, efficiency and reliability. What began as a fire hose company quickly evolved. Today, our flagship products, Flexibor, Petroline and Waterlord, are trusted worldwide to move what matters most. We supply high-performance fire hose to professional and volunteer brigades worldwide, trusted for reliability in critical firefighting operations. We pump life into agriculture, delivering water where it's needed. We support military operations with quick and reliable fuel delivery to aircraft, vehicles and ships. We specialise in dewatering to keep mines operational and profitable. Fueled by bold ambition, we stepped into a polypipe-dominated market with a clear mission: to simplify and revolutionise bore water pumping with Layflat hose. We made significant investments in TPU extrusion technology and then pioneered a hot welding method to attach a coloured strip to the hose, enabling secure power cable integration for submersible pumps. This breakthrough led to Flexibor, our first flexible riser and an Australian first, setting a new industry standard. But we didn't stop there. We engineered a world-class double clamp coupling, another Australian first, redefining the secure connection of flexible hose to submersibles. Today, 25 years later, after continuous product development, our 6-inch Flexibor riser continues to lead the way as the first flexible solution for high-pressure pumping at depths of up to 400 metres. We're proud of the countless farms, mines and properties that rely on our Flexibor hose for their groundwater extraction. In 2001, driven by perseverance and ingenuity, we took on a bold challenge: to design and manufacture a rugged fuel transfer hose and reel system for the Australian Defence Force. After 3 years of dedicated development, we delivered the Petroline hose and Timor reel system, a trusted solution that's now been in active service for over 22 years. Engineered for reliability in the field, this system enables rapid and efficient fuel delivery to aircraft, vehicles and naval vessels, ensuring critical operations progress without delay. Our reputation caught the attention of global defence forces. 15 years later, the US Marines and the Royal Australian Air Force used our Petroline to refuel US helicopters from Australian planes, boosting the RAAF's interoperability. This endorsement showcases our leadership in Australian manufacturing excellence. Recognising the mining sector's needs, we developed the large-diameter, high-pressure Waterlord hose, a trusted solution for mine dewatering from Bowen Basin coal mines to Pilbara iron ore sites. Engineered for efficiency and worker safety, our double-skinned Waterlord Extra sets a new benchmark in high-pit wall deployments. Its flexible design adapts to the mine wall's profile, using friction to stay securely in place, eliminating complex anchoring and reducing risks on site. Built to handle the toughest conditions, our dewatering pipelines deliver exceptional performance in high-pressure environments. Trusted by mines across Australia, they outperform traditional poly solutions, ensuring reliability and safety in even the most extreme conditions. With our expertly engineered Layflat hose and reel systems, we keep mining operations efficient, reliable and safe every step of the way. Our integrated engineering and R&D team continues to push the limits of innovation, proudly designing and developing Australia's first-of-their-kind reel systems, like the Argyle, Hamersley and Olympic reeler, and customised ship-to-shore solutions. These breakthrough systems showcase our commitment to advanced design, precision manufacturing, and tailored performance for demanding applications using Layflat hose. But we don't just build products, we build partnerships. Proudly collaborating with businesses and industry leaders, we develop strategies to overcome pain points. By exceeding expectations, we've earned the respect of industry leaders who share our vision and values. As a trusted Australian manufacturer committed to our community, we take pride in creating local jobs and providing essential employee skills training. We also contribute to local charities, embracing our social responsibility. We play a vital role in strengthening our national economy by supporting local suppliers and businesses. Our reach extends far beyond Australia. Trusted by industries worldwide, our reputation is built on one thing: delivering reliability where it matters most. From emergency services to large-scale infrastructure projects, our solutions are making a difference. At the heart of it all are our people. This isn't just a workplace, it's a community of problem solvers, innovators, creators, leaders, and technicians who take pride in shaping the future. Celebrating 40 years of excellence, we forge ahead with the relentless pioneering spirit that brought us here, because the best is yet to come. Proudly Australian-made, trusted worldwide.